This is my next lawnmower find here. This is a Toro personal pace recycler, 22-inch. And it's got the 6.75 190cc Briggs & Stratton engine on it. Personal pace lawnmower. And this is model 20332. And this is a 2009 Toro personal pace. Bought this off our local next door classified. The owner decided to get a lawn service. He did traveling. Very small yard. He bought this new. Looks like it's in really good condition. It just needs to be cleaned up. Got a lot of grass clippings built up on it. This model has the quick wash port, which I don't really use those. I don't like to wash these that often. It's easier to blow these off with an electric blower or a blower underneath. Briggs & Stratton engine. This is an auto choke engine. He said he had it maintained and had the oil changed in it and the blade sharpened. See how good this looks once we clean this up. And it's got the recycler blade on here. He said it's been sharpened before. We'll check that out. Just got a lot of grass clippings that have built up under here. Probably from cutting wet grass, and if you leave it there, you see what happens. It'll start to rust. Looks really nice. Let me show you more about this lawnmower, then we'll give it a start. And we're going to check the air filter in this. And that looks pretty clean. I'll knock some of the dirt off. It looks like it's probably been replaced before. Not sure this is original. And I cleaned that, just knocked some of the dirt out of here, mostly grass clippings, and we're going to put this right back in. Did not get a side shoot with this. Let me clean this up. We'll see if there's any rust. Kind of hard to tell right now. A lot of grass clipping buildup on this. And let's check the oil in here. It looks a bit low. I would say we ought to go ahead and change this. He said he never used the bag on this. He's used this only for mulching. And here's the model and serial number of this Toro. You can see it says a 2009 model. This bag is in like new condition. I don't know why the string's on there. Maybe he had it hanging in his garage. Not sure he's ever used it, maybe a little bit, but it's in really nice shape. And just checking the cables on this personal pace here. This is how you operate the personal pace. You just pull this handle down. The more you pull it down, the faster it will go, which I really like that part about the Toro personal pace. And this is the cable. Showed a video once of how to adjust this, and generally this cable is in the middle. Looks like it may have been adjusted before. To tighten this cable up, you just loosen this screw and pull this cable down. So it looks like this has had personal pace adjustment at one point in time. And this is what I like about the Toro personal pace, this blue lever. It's currently on mulch. If you want a bag, it's all jammed up. So many grass clippings, you just pull this lever down. I've got to get the grass clippings out to even move that lever. Let's check the wheels on here. These levers all seem to be frozen up. Got lots of grass clippings. See if we can oil this up and get these height adjustments to work. Wheels look good on this side. Just needs cleaning up. A little wear on the wheel here. And that's a rust bubble, probably from leaving grass clippings underneath. Got a lot of junk on this engine too. And let's see how much gas we got in here. We started this at his house and it took about 4 pulls to get it to start. And this last year's gas, well, maybe a quarter of a tank. It doesn't smell bad. And for a 2009 model, this is in really good condition. Very small yard as he had. One owner. Let's give this a start here. Looks like we just need to give this a good cleaning up. Get all these grass clippings out. Change the oil in it. Check the blade. And that's about all we need to do to this. Let's give it a start. Here we go. Here we go. Push down. There we go. That works really well. Very nice 2009 Toro personal pace lawnmower.